So I want to raise funds for scholarships for schools and universities. As you know, in Dubai, most of the schools and universities are private, and it gets expensive for students and parents to pay the fees. So my plan is to make the world's largest coin sculpture. And to make the world's largest coin sculpture, I'm going to use 1 dirham coin, and I'm going to approach various schools and universities to raise money. And then whatever the money is raised from each school and university will then be given to the schools and universities for scholarships. I will also generate revenue from other places, and whatever money is collected will then be given to the schools and universities that are part of this campaign. So what do you guys think? Is this a good idea? Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.